what Honorable Matiang'i referred to is an issue which is live in court. Which is live in court, so I would not like to comment on that one. But one thing I can assure you is that the courts deal with these matters as they come. The evidence that is presented before them, they deal with those matters as they come. And what we are telling parties is that if you are not happy with an order that has been given by the court, the channel is there, you appeal. And we have had quite a number of instances where a court has issued an order. The parties, not necessarily even the government, individual parties are unhappy with that, and they have appealed, and the Court of Appeal has set aside those judgments. Some they have upheld. So that's what we do. There is no question of because what you are implying is that the court is now being controlled by litigants. That is not the case. That's not, and it can't be. Yes.
And as president of the JSC, have you received any complaint regarding some judicial officers reportedly, as said by Dr Matiang'i, that they are colluding with civil society and lawyers to undermine operations of government and even just individuals? Have you received such complaints?
No.
And just as a follow-up to that, what is your reaction to the targeting of some of the officers in the judiciary areas and even clique by the same CS for interior?
That's what I told you. Honorable Matiang'i was commenting on an issue which is in court. He has himself said he has appealed. So I would not like to comment because my comments may be misunderstood as to what. And when the matter is being dealt with in court, it's now in the Court of Appeal. I would like to let the Court of Appeal deal with that as it should be.
But
yes.
I think where Mr. Matiang'i is coming from is based on the appeal the petition that saw the last year's elections nullified by the Supreme Court. And for him, from the government side, they feel the judiciary has been held captive by some opposition-leaning lawyers and activists. What will be, besides looking at what is going on at the moment, but generally, because his comments seem to have captured the entire feeling within the government, and maybe the judiciary, the clique of the judicial officers has seemed to be captured by some opposition lawyers and activists.
I am not aware of any part of the judiciary that has been captured by what? By opposition or what? Or the media. If you go back to before we had elections, we had quite a number of cases that came to court. We ruled in favor of the government, we ruled in favor of, against the government, we ruled in favor of the position, we ruled against the opposition. Quite a number of those matters came and we dealt with them on the basis of the evidence that was there. So it's already, some of those matters go to a particular division. We have the judicial review division, we have the constitutional division. That's where they are dealt with, and invariably you find they are being dealt with by the same judges. So I mean, it is not true that any judges have been captured by the opposition, as it is being said. It is the orders they are issuing in the normal course of business, and they could make mistakes in those orders. They could make mistakes in those orders. And what we are saying is, if there are mistakes that have been made, let there be an appeal. And once an appeal is filed, let the parties who are dealing with that wait for the Court of Appeal to deal with the matters as they are being dealt with. That's why I'm saying I don't want to comment on what the Honorable Minister commented about, because the matter is in the Court of Appeal. Let the Court of Appeal deal with that. So